Right, this is no 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 5. Oh, Pagania. Angibona uthi nawula.
Once in a ways.
Kwamba kanjani?
No.
Yeah.
When uyangisabotage mwana.
Askisi boy.
Ngakutshela okay.
Yeah.
Sizobuya kule game le.
Yeah.
Chiefs ne Sundowns.
Okay.
Wena wangisabotage no.
Yeah.
Nganami. Kule game ye Pirates.
Yes, Pirates and what?
And Hungry Lion.
Yeah.
Kulanga ngitshela khona.
Yeah.
Ukuthi mina ngimele the champions kwi final.
Yeah.
Asiyeke.
Ngisabotage kanjani?
Let's come to back the game. Let's come back to the
Ufuna
game.
ukubuza ukuthi ngisabotage kanjani? So that ngikwazi ukuyirectify.
Ngizoza lapho.
Okay.
That's why ngithi let's come back to the game.
Okay.
No.
Yeah.
Kule game namhlanje mina bengizangazi ukuthi vele Sundowns izowin.
Yeah.
They are already the champions. Kabuyelo they are already the champions of the league.
Yeah.
Let's give it to them.
Yeah.
They've played a good football all the seasons. These people they only lost 2 games. 2 games in all the games that they played. They only lose 2 games. Do you know a game abazuluzile easy? Esperance Tunisia away and home. Out of all the games they played draw win.
Yeah.
Esperance Tunisia is the only team that has beaten them.
And the PSL no team.
Wena ngiza lapho ngcobo mngani wami. Ukuthi la wangisabotage khona. Kula ngakutshela ukuthi come the final. Mina as a Pirates fan, ngisengimele final iNedbank.
Yeah.
Uyasibona Stellenbosch senza? Uyasibona senza neStellenbosch? Ngilusana naso for position number 2.
But mina ngifuna leyo kusabotage.
Ngiza lapho ngoba ngiza lapho ngiza lapho. Sengiza lapho. Mamela sengifikile. Phakathi inside. Ngoba iSundowns ngakutshela ukuthi mina ngimele bona ukuthi bawine baye ku final iNedbank. Zonke lezi zinto anginandaba nawo ukuthi benzanda wena ungisabotage ngokuthi
Kaizer Chiefs is the worst team in the world.
Sundowns izodliwa eHolland
Okay, sikwazi ukusiza abanye abantu
eHolland bangikhuluma lento
no lalela I know bese Holland ngithi mina angipostanga kuphi
Kodumbombela
Ngobo 2010 awepostanga
no